Today I got started on this new garden bed here in front. So I marked out the site with some string line and then started digging some trenches. I'm using some old terracotta roof tiles. I've got a whole stack of them here and I just thought, why put them to waste? So I basically looked at digging this trench just deep enough so you can fit the roof tile down. And then I'm just basically coming along and backfilling and just really compacting all that soil down. So I've just finished completing the bordered edge here with the terracotta tiles. So what I'm doing here now, as you can see, they're all locked here together and they're nice and quite and tight and firm in there actually. So I'm just going around the edge here with a mallet and I'm just basically compacting down this clay soil into these little divots here just to compact down the exterior. And then I'm also going on the inside as well. So it's got compaction on both sides. Now that the garden bed is all complete, we're going to be looking at filling in before we load in the soil. I'm just going to be using things like cardboard. As you can see here, I've got some other pruning, some other plant material. So this is a good way just to fill a new garden bed up. So just so you're not wasting money on filling the whole thing with good soil that costs quite a fair bit. I've also got some horse manure here, which is going to add a really good organic matter in there that I'm going to mix through. So that's going to go in the middle layer before I put through the eventual planting soil. Now, after adding all the horse manure in, I've got some dried grass that I'm adding in. I just thought I'd put some dried grass down before I put the soil in, just so the grass has a chance to break down with the horse manure. So it's going to all compost down together. And then the strawberries that I'm going to be planting in here that will then have a chance to be growing their roots into some well composted soil rather than growing into some horse manure that hasn't yet broken down. That's the garden bed all topped up with some soil. So I've still got a little bit of light left. Let's get stuck into planting these strawberries that I've got here in some styrofoam boxes. And I've got plenty of free runners as well, which is awesome. A little bit of added bonus plants there. So I'm going to get stuck into this and give it all a bit of a drink and a water in before the sun goes down.